Nagre-record na tayo. Mahal, kakantahan ka nila ha. Ayan, si Maxine na, tanda mo ha. Kakantahan ka yan, tsaka si Ara. Okay. 1, 2, 3, kanta. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dapat yung palakpak, Sin.
Happy birthday to you. Yung palakpak. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wala ka! Happy birthday.
Okay. Dali!
Happy birthday.
Okay, tama na yan. Hello, mahal. Ayan na, pinuntahan ko pa si mama sa tindahan para kantahan ka. Okay, mahal. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
Maklap.
to you.
Clap ka, maklap.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mon.
Okay, ulit.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ramon.
Okay, may nabili naman. Salamat. Okay, man. Si Ate Rosa. Yan, kanan ka.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Chris, sama mo si mama mo, dali.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mon!
Okay, salamat. Man, si Ate at saka si Maxine ulit ha. Ayan. Kanta.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang araw. Maligayang araw. Maligayang kaarawan mo.
Okay, salamat. Last, si Kuya na lang. Mal, dito ako sa taas. Kaya lang, tulog si Kuya. Kaya hindi siya makakakanta. Pero maya-maya pagkagising abang ako yan. So, in the meantime, pinigay muna. Okay, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Ulit. Okay, wag na. Man, hindi ko pwede. Tulog si Kuya, oh. Lasing. Baka sapukin ako niyan. Tsaka si Ace, eh. Ako na lang, sige ka. Kakanta ako. Tekuha mo ko, dali. Ano kang kapatid?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Lagi mo happy birthday. Pa.
Kuha